Hi there, this is Alex with another episode of CEC Tips and Tricks, where we answer questions from our customers from around the region. This week's question comes from Vietnam and they want to know, how do you optimize the VDP workflow when working with Fusion Pro VDP? We featured Fusion Pro VDP Creator quite a lot in our Print Ideas series, so we've got quite a fair bit of interest in this software. They say that time is money, so let's check out how we can optimize the VDP workflow to save time. The steps involved in getting a print-ready file usually involves first linking a database to your template, followed by composing the file into separate PDFs, and then using an imposition software to best make use of the printable area of your media. Let's take a look at which parts of this workflow can be optimized. Our template for today's example is a gift voucher. So first, we want to link it up with a database. It's a relatively quick process, but to speed things up even further, we want to ensure that the headings in the database are always constant. After which comes the composition, followed by the imposition, which is usually a two-step process. While the time taken for composition is dependent on the number of entries as well as the size of the file, we are able to link Fusion Pro VDP Creator with Fusion Pro Imposer to create an imposition template and therefore combine both steps. Let's open Fusion Pro Imposer and set the finish size, bleed, the number of pages per record, crop marks, print sheet size, duplex settings, step and repeat quantity both horizontally as well as vertically, spacing between the job, and then save this imposition template. We go back to the gift voucher template and go to the compose function and check on use imposition definition in the imposition tab. We then select the imposition template we created and compose it. So you can see that the output file has already been imposed automatically. The next time you've got the same job, just update the database and compose it to get your print-ready file in much less time. We did a gift voucher today, but you can also do the same with other common jobs such as name cards. If you'd like to see more variable data workflow hacks, comment down below and let us know. That's all for today's episode. Remember to subscribe and I'll see you soon.